this video, we're going to be showing you how to sync up your Arvig email to Mozilla Thunderbird. The first thing we're going to do is double-click the Mozilla Thunderbird icon to open it. Once it's open, we're going to go under Setup an Account and click Email. And once the little window opens, we're going to put in some base information, starting with our name, working our way down to password. Once we have that, we're going to hit Continue and then hit Manual Config. From here, under Incoming, we're going to change it to POP3, and under Server Hostname, we will just add webmail to make it webmail.arvig.net. Port, we're going to change to 995. SSL will change to SSL/TLS, and authentication will leave under Auto Detect. Under the outgoing, we can't change the SMTP, but under server hostname, we are going to put webmail.arvig.net. Server port will be 465. It'll change the SSL/TLS, and we'll leave authentication under Auto Detect. Once we have all that, we can hit Retest, and then hit Done. And then once we have emails in the inbox, we'll know the account is set up correctly.
For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.